American Technical Publishers is your partner in learning. ATP works with industry partners to provide high-quality products and services to meet your education and training needs. ATP partners with award-winning chefs and culinary professionals to develop engaging content and online resources for learners and instructors. We support them with the following products. Volume Food Preparation presents fundamental concepts and procedures for working in volume food service operations serving educational, healthcare, correctional, and banquet facilities. These practical skills will help individuals confidently transition into the workforce. 50 Effective Knife Techniques explains and demonstrates safe, step-by-step techniques for cutting fruits, vegetables, poultry, seafood, and meats. Effective knife techniques help minimize food waste and promote even cooking. Culinary Math Principles and Applications demonstrates how and why food service workers use math in the professional kitchen. Engaging learner resources present math in relevant, real-world contexts. National Apprenticeship Training Program for Cooks presents the core competencies needed to succeed in 10 different culinary stations using practical hands-on applications that will help individuals transition into the workforce. American Technical Publishers is your partner in learning. For additional information, contact Gail Smith at culinary@atplearning.com.